Hello children. So continuation with the integers. This is the integers. We will solve today practice set number 5. So practice set number 5 inside the first question is the what we have to do the addition of this integers. So first question. So what they gave here? Add. First is add. And inside it first question. Which is the first question? 8 plus 6. Tell me what is its answer? 8 plus 6 is equal to, just you can add this, it is simple only. So 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. Okay. Second question. Second question is the 9 plus into bracket minus 3. 9 plus into bracket minus 3. So if you see here, the 9 sign is, now there is no sign, so it has which sign? It has a plus sign. So plus 9 and minus 3. Plus 9 and minus 3. I told you before only that if the signs are opposite, opposite signs are there, so here plus and here minus are there, so signs are opposite, then what we have to do? The subtraction operation, which we have to do the subtraction, and sign which we have to give, the bigger number sign we have to give for it. Okay, so my plus and this is minus, so 9 minus 3 is the 6. Okay, and bigger number, which is the bigger number, 9 or 3? 9 is bigger, so 9 sign is plus, so here answer is the 6 or plus 6 you write, otherwise only 6 you have to write. Now next question from your practice set is the third one, that is 5 plus into bracket minus 6. 5 plus into bracket minus 6. So in this example, if you see here also 5 sign is plus and 6 sign is minus. So here signs are different, which I told you, this sign you just don't take in your account because it is the operation. Add is there, no, its sign it is there. So plus 5 and minus 6. What we have to do? It's a plus 5 and minus 6. If signs are opposite, we have to do the subtraction. Opposite sign, we have to do the subtraction, and same sign is there, we have to do the addition. So opposite sign we have to do the subtraction. So plus 5 and minus 6. 6 minus 5, bigger number minus smaller number. So 6 minus 5 is equals to 1. Okay, and sign which we have to give, bigger number. So here minus 1. Okay, next fourth example is the what? Minus 7 plus 2. Okay, here again opposite signs are there, minus 7 and plus 2. If signs are opposite, subtraction. So bigger number is 7. 7 minus 2 is the 5. Okay, and the bigger number is 7 and its sign is minus, so we will get the answer minus 5. Okay, now fifth example. Example number 5. Here minus 8 plus 0. So if this types of example is there, simply what? 0 plus any number and is equals to same number, or 0 minus any number is equal to same number. So here is the 0 and minus 8 is equals to what will be there? Next example is minus 5 plus into bracket minus 2. So if you see these two numbers, 5 sign is also negative and 2 sign is also negative. And what I said, that if sign is same, what we have to do? Addition. So 5 plus 2 is equals to 7, and both sign is negative and bigger number sign is negative. And I told you that for answer you have to give the bigger number sign. So answer is minus 7. Okay, so in this way you have to do the addition. Now there is a box is there in your textbook. That box examples will be solved at first, and this is the second question we will take now. Second question. Start. Now this is the second question, and complete the table given below is the question. What is the question? Complete the table given below. So if you see, this is a table. So how to solve this table, that I will explain you. First of all, this is the plus sign. This is plus sign. That sign we have to do for the addition of this number plus this number and this. So first of all, first example we will solve. How to solve? I will explain. This is 8 plus sign we have to write here, and this is negative 2, you have to write in the bracket. Okay, 8 plus minus 2. So whenever you are solving this example, what I said to you, if signs are different, what we have to do? Different sign, that always write here only, then you will not get confused. Sign different, what we have to do? Subtraction. What we have to do? Subtraction. And if sign is same, then what we have to do? Addition. Sign same, we have to do addition. Okay, so this is 8 plus minus 2. 8 plus minus 2. So here what I told, signs are different because 8 sign is plus and 2 sign is minus 2, and this is the process sign. Okay, so bigger number is 8, minus 2 is 8 minus 2 is 6, and sign which we have to give? Bigger numbers, and the bigger number sign is plus, so this answer is 6. And now you have to write this 6 here, otherwise in this way write 8 plus into bracket minus 2 is equals to 6. Okay, now this is the fourth we will see. 8, otherwise we will complete this box at first. Second, 8 plus 6. 8 plus, now first over this, now 6 we have to do. 8 plus 6, it is very easy. What is its answer? 6 and 8, its answer is 14. Okay, so here 8 plus 6 is equals to 14. Now next, third, 8 plus 0, it is also very easy. 8 plus 0, 0 plus any number is equals to the same number. So here it is 8. Next, 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is equals to, here third example what we solve, 8 plus 0 is equals to 8. And here fourth, 8 plus 4, both same signs are same. So answer is 12. Now we will see the second box. This is the first example for this. So 4 plus into bracket minus 2 in this way. 4 plus into bracket minus 2. So here 4 sign is plus, 2 sign is minus. So signs are different. If signs are different, we have to do the subtraction. So 4 plus 2 is equals to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, and sign which we have to give? Bigger number. Bigger number is 4 and its sign is plus, so answer will get the sign positive. Second example. So here is answer 2. You write only 2 here. Now next example, minus 3 plus minus 3 plus, which we have to do here, otherwise 4 only we will solve. 4 plus 6. So here write 4 plus 6. 4 both sign is positive. So 4 plus 6 is equals to 10. Next, 4 plus 0. So third example, 4 plus 0 is equals to 4. Next, so here write 4. 4 plus 4. So fourth example, 4 plus 4 equals to, both sign is same, we have to do the addition. So 8 and sign bigger number, but both numbers are same, so it will get the positive sign. Now we will see the next, that is minus 3. So minus 3 plus minus 2. Minus 3 plus into, if two signs are coming together, that time we have to put the brackets for it. Okay, so here this is minus 3, we have to add this into minus 2. So here both signs are same. If signs are, this is also negative and that is also negative. If signs are same, we have to do the addition. So 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. Okay, and which sign it will get? Bigger number sign. So bigger number is 3, its sign is negative, so answer will get negative sign. So here it is minus 5. In this way you have to solve the example and then you have to write the answers for it. Second, minus 3 plus 6. So here write minus 3 plus 6. Signs different, negative, positive. We have to do the subtraction. So 6, my bigger number is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3, and sign bigger numbers, and bigger number is 6. So its answer, its sign is positive. So this is the plus 3 right, otherwise only 3 right. Both answer is correct. Now we will see the third example. Here answer is the 3 or plus 3. Now minus 3 plus 0. minus 3 plus 0. Just I told you, if any number you are adding to the 0, the answer is same. So here minus 3 is the answer. Okay, next fourth example, minus 3 plus 4. So here bigger number is positive, smaller number is negatives. Different signs are there. We have to do the subtraction. So bigger number minus smaller number. 4 minus 3, 1. And sign which we have to give bigger numbers. So here it is plus. It will get answer plus 1. Okay. Now we will see the next fourth, that is first example. Minus 5 plus, this is minus 5 plus minus 2. Minus 2. If two signs are coming, then don't forget to give the bracket for it. Okay. Now here both numbers are negative. So if sign is same, means 5 sign is also negative, 2 sign is also negative. So negative it is there. So the answer, what we have to do, the addition of this both. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. And sign which will get bigger number. Bigger number is 5 and its sign is negative. Okay. So here it is minus 7. Now second example. Here answer is minus 7. Now this is minus 5. Next example, minus 5 plus 6. This boxes we are taking now. And these two's addition we have to write here. So minus 5 plus 6. Signs are different. It is plus and it is minus. So 6 minus 5 is equals to 1. Answer will get bigger number sign. So plus 1, otherwise 1 right. Now third example. Here it is plus 1. Next example, minus 5 plus minus 5 plus 0. So minus 5 plus 0 is equals to minus 5 plus 0 is equal to minus 5. Okay, because the sum of what? 0 plus any number is equal to the same number. Last fourth example. So here the answer is minus 5. Next here minus 5 plus 4. So here it is minus 5 plus 4. So bigger number is minus 5, smaller number is 4, and its subtraction we have to do different signs there. So 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, and sign which we have to give bigger number. So in this way you have to solve this box. Okay, complete the box. Today I shown you the how to solve the practice set number 5. Okay, then we will see the opposite numbers and then we will stop. Okay, so the next point is opposite number. Next point we will see the opposite numbers. For that I will draw here a number line. Okay, so this is our number line. Okay, this is the 0, it is coming at the center, and the other numbers, as you know that positive numbers we are writing towards the right side. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and negative numbers we will write towards the right side. So 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and so on. This number end doesn't have the end. It increases both the side. So we have to see the opposite numbers. So if you see here, opposite numbers are the same distance from the 0 but in opposite direction. This is the 0. Okay, and if you see here, this is 0. From 0, 2 is at which place? After 2 gap 2 is there, and this side after 2 these gaps, 2 gaps, here it is minus 2. So these are the opposite number. So plus 2's opposite number is the, which is that opposite number of plus 2, opposite number of plus 2 is minus 2. Opposite number of plus 2 is minus 2. If you see here, the opposite number of, see that we have now completed. Okay, now opposite number of, from 0 we have to take, plus 4 is from this here same interval. 1, 2, 3, 4 gaps are here. 1, 2, 3, 4 gaps are here. So here we have to write opposite number of plus 4 is minus 4. Okay, now we will see the next. Here from 0, this is the minus 6. So here write opposite number of minus 6 is, this is minus 6 and its opposite number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gaps are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6 gap, which number is here? Plus 6. So minus 6 opposite number is plus 6. In this way, we have to write the pairs of opposite numbers. Means plus 2 is opposite minus 2, plus 4 is opposite minus 4, plus minus 4 is opposite number what? The plus 6. And if we add these two numbers, you will notice that plus 2 minus 2, answer is 0. Plus 4 minus 4, answer is 0. Minus 6 plus 6, answer is 0. So from these 2 points we are understanding. So first point is the opposite numbers are at the same distance from 0. Okay, you seen that this after 6 gap 6 minus 6 and after 6 gap from 0 plus 6 is there. So same distance from the 0 but in opposite direction. Okay, then next second point we understand that sum of two opposite numbers is always what? 0. So these two things we have to keep in your mind, that is opposite numbers are at the same distance from the 0 but in opposite direction, and sum of two opposite numbers is 0. Just we saw it here. Okay, so today all of you complete the practice set number 6. Okay, and we will stop here only. Okay, thank you.